Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to remove custom video watermark from your channel videos. Open your favorite browser. Go to youtube.com. Click on the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Select the Google account you want to use. If you are signing in for the first time, you may be asked to enter your email address, enter your password and click next. You are signed in to your YouTube account. Now click on your profile picture at the top right corner of the page. Select YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. You will be redirected to your channel dashboard page. Now in the left sidebar, click on Customization. Scroll down to bottom of the page. You can find a section called Video Watermark. As you can see, currently we have added a video watermark which is visible on all the videos of this channel. To remove it, just click the Remove button. Click Publish to apply the changes. That's it, changes has been applied. Now go to your channel page to view the changes. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. As you can see, the custom video watermark has been removed. This is how you can remove custom video watermark from your channel videos. Thank you for watching.